On Wednesday, Hurricane Beryl lashed sections of the island, causing flooding and damage in the corporate area. Jamaicans braced for the worst. Here are some reports from our news team, even as the island was being affected by the storm. We begin with Marlon Samuels.
The swirling bands of wind and rain named Beryl grazed the southeastern end of Kingston as it roared ashore as a Category 4 hurricane. With 145 miles per hour winds, Hurricane Beryl pummeled Jamaica's coastline. The storm surges and huge waves saw boats being tossed around like toys. This was the cry from the main road leading to Port Royal.
Port Royal main road, impossible. Impossible. Port Royal main road, impossible.
Beryl left a trail of destruction. Trees were downed and roofs shredded by hurricane-force winds. Hurricane Beryl brought down power lines, leaving 65% of the island without electricity.
Women just lose them roof.
Over in the second city, Montego Bay, many are thankful as the predicted destruction did not materialize. Assessment of damages and cleanup activities of piles of debris are now underway. For the news on PBCJ, I am Marlon Samuels.